Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting at the fuel door. Unlock it if needed and open it now. Once the door is open, position yourself so you can see the cap and tether clearly, and use a flashlight if light is low. Put on gloves to protect your hands and have a rag ready to catch drips. This prevents staining and keeps threads clean. Make sure the vehicle is off and the parking brake engaged. That minimizes movement and risk while you work. You'll turn the cap counterclockwise with steady, even pressure. Don't yank. Sudden force can break the tether or strip threads. As the cap loosens, guide the tether so it doesn't twist or kink, and hold the cap horizontal to minimize fuel drips. Once free, lift the cap straight out and hang it from the tether or rest it on a clean rag. While you're here, inspect the cap seal and the filler neck threads for wear, dirt, or damage that could cause leaks. To finish, align the cap with the filler threads and turn it clockwise until it clicks or feels snug. That click confirms a proper seal. If it won't thread smoothly, remove it again and wipe both sets of threads with a dry rag. Do not use oils or lubricants that attract dirt. If the cap won't seat, the tether is twisted, or the seal is cracked, replace the cap or tether. This prevents check engine lights and vapor leaks, which can cause...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.